Hey, you wonderful people. This is your girl Inga here, and welcome back to my channel. You know the drill. If you're new here, just go ahead and smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and let's get into this video. Well, I've already started out with the oils in here, and we don't have to go over that again because if you go to my previous videos, you will see which oils I use for my mixture. If you're new here, that is. So we're just gonna go ahead and start mixing this huge batch. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using my hand mixer to mix this because it's a huge batch and it can be very tiresome. So this is like 32 ounces of gloss base. So here we go. So I always have my spatula on hand, and these are items that I purchased mainly for lip gloss and nothing else. And when you're done with them, you clean them up properly and store them in an area until the next time. So you don't have to worry about all of that stuff because where it's 32 ounces in this bowl, you will get a little bit of stuff all around there. So just take your time. So I'm going to add some more of the grapeseed oil into this. So you do have a good consistency right here. So what I'm going to do is just let it settle to get some of those bubbles out. So when I'm doing huge orders or bulk orders like this, I usually mix the gloss base without any of the colors first in a bowl, and then I separate them into little mini bowls. Okay, I think it's easier that way. Well, it's easier for me that way, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about and you can adapt the same thing. So I will be working with 4 of these bowls at a time, and let me just start pouring them in. So we're, like I said, we're doing 8-ounce jars. Um, and as you can see, it's a nice gloss base going on here, exactly the texture that we want it. So yeah, just rest it there. So those are the 4 bases that we have going on right here, and then we're going to add the colors into these. So stay tuned for that. So this is, I think this is Prosperous that I'm mixing right now from the collection. As you can see, it's a red base, and I think it has some frosting glitters in it, like fine lip glitter that is not able to be seen on the lips, but you can just see a little little speckles of it rather. It's a very gorgeous. I'm gonna add some more red, and I also always, as you guys know, like to dab a little white into my face. So these comes with lots of delicious flavorings. Adding some flavoring here. So this one here is gonna be, let me just add some oil in this, a little bit stiffy. Mind your business. You can check all of these out at my Etsy shop. This is one of my favorites. Mind your business. I just absolutely adore this. It's very shimmery, very pigmented. Oh my gosh. It does it for every single time. Mind your business. Oh, the consistency is super. I like to mix my flavoring, guys, so I really don't use. Mind your business. So I went ahead and I did these two colors offline for the sake of time, because we have to go and package these now and get these ready to be shipped out. Then I have to do another order, not with the 8-ounce jars, but with the 7 ounce little bucket. So I will show you guys those. Something like these little buckets. So I have to do some orders with these. So let me show you guys. These here are the 8-ounce jars that I will be using. If you can purchase these on Amazon, but if you happens to run out of these at home and you need them right away, you can go to Michael's and purchase these 8-ounce jars. So right now I'm just gonna print out the labels for these jars, and if you guys want to see a video on that, I think I have a few already on how I go about doing my labels with my Cameo, but I'm just gonna print them out and I'm gonna show you how I label. Okay, these are the labels that I have for the 8-ounce jars here. What happened was this got cut off or stuck inside of the printer, so I'm just gonna have to print out another sheet, but I am gonna be using this here. And what I usually do is I just cut these out with my Cameo, but I'm not doing that right now to save time. I'm just gonna cut them out myself and place them onto the jars. Okay. just going to be pouring them into the jars that I cleaned already, and make sure to it that they are 8 ounces each by putting them onto the scale. There you have them, full 8-ounce jars. So I'm just gonna go ahead and label them and then package them and get them ready to go. So I'm gonna use some hand sanitizer and go ahead and label these. As you can see, it says gloss face, handmade with love, and the ingredients are right there on that side. I think it's a very cute to-do going on there. So here is the box. Right here, 6x6, I think. Yeah, and I use packing paper. Just stuff down in there. Give it a little base. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in this freebie right here. Do that like so. I'll show you guys. See, like that. And then I'm gonna place this card and this card. I'm gonna use this bubble right there, and then so this is the finished product, guys. I went ahead and I placed the tape over it, and this is the tape here. If you guys don't know, I have like 2 styles in these, and all white, and this one, and I do have a video on this. I don't remember the name of the video, but where you can get this tape from for your business. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and fulfill another order, and I'll probably show that in my next video. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video, and I want to thank you guys for being so attentive, and I hope this video taught you guys a lot. So don't forget to subscribe, like these videos, and turn on those notifications. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.